We've warmed up to the 60s already today. Feels really nice out here. And the gang's all here. Marty and Stripe are in the house nibbling for a few minutes. What's wrong? Your food's over here. Come on, let's go. Come on, Tux. Come on, Tux, let's go to your spot. Tux, let's go to your spot. Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Hi, good boy. Hi. Here's your chicken. There you go. I already showed it to him and he was over here one time. Okay, bud. You eat now. It's a good boy. I'm sure everybody loves seeing you trot across the yard and come like you're a well-trained service dog. Get the waters cleaned. Don and I are donating blood today down in Lillington at 12:30. I think we're going to try to get our walk in. It's only 9:30, so we have time to do that. And the glider looks nice over there. I like it. I really like the heart shapes on the end. I think it adds a little decoration to the yard. Yep, bright and sunny. I haven't seen the bluebirds yet this morning, but I saw them yesterday. It's got to be close to them fledging. It figures there'd be an airplane going overhead right now while I'm trying to film. Helicopter maybe? I don't know. I don't see it yet, but it could. We're so close to Fort Bragg. We get a lot of military craft come over. See if we see it. In the little hole that's up there. Yeah, it's near, but it didn't pass where we can see it. Probably Fort Bragg stuff. Last but not least, on the weekend, there's your stretch. Yep. Whoa. Didn't quite catch the door with my foot right. Hey, sweetie pea. You doing good? Hi. Aw. Good morning. When you donate blood, you get bacon. We gotta have something to eat. They're afraid we'll pass out if we don't eat enough to suit them, so we try to comply.
I'll just be forced to eat something.
We're down in Lillington now, crossing over the Cape Fear River. Wouldn't mind being out on the water. Probably a little cold for that still. The blood drive is at the Chamber of Commerce here. This is 13 miles, 19-minute drive south of the house for us. I was catching new Pokemon. Was getting raid invites for it, and so that kept me preoccupied on most of the drive over here.
Well, I came back to the car to get the hat. We've given blood now, and we're going to walk around here. But there's an EV6. I mean, this is Lillington, North Carolina, and you have 2 electric cars.
Don's putting our stuff in the car. There's a Model S. My understanding is there's restrooms in this little brick building. That would be good. We tanked up on water before donating. I had Don stop to let me go in here. They moved out of a little hole-in-the-wall house in Fuquay down here to Lillington. I'm sure it's cheaper for them, but they're closed. Yeah, I didn't film anything on the bus, but Don and I both successfully donated. They started him after I was finished, so we were in the bus for a good bit of time. But the 2 ladies that were in the bus today, they're from Florence, South Carolina, that bus, which was a long ride for them. It's a couple hours, and they were both really nice and well-skilled, and so, you know, it was easy to be patient. It's always cool in the bus, let me tell you. You need to cool down in the summertime. You just go donate you some blood and sit in the bus, because they keep it at, you know, what did keep it, Donnie? 63, 65 in there. It's plenty cool in there.
Not going to be hot.
So we're headed back up to Fuquay, and we're probably going to go to South Park and maybe walk around the track a couple times. Although we were walking around the little tents, the little things on display at the recreation park back there.
Like a little festival
thing, and I started to feel a little puny, like I wanted to go sit down. Of course, we were standing in the sun having a nice conversation with one of the vendors for about 10 minutes, and the sun was right on us, so I don't know. I probably don't feel up to doing very much, honestly, which has happened the last several times we've given. I really do feel puny for overnight into the next day at least. So, and I'm drinking water, and we've already eaten. I'll eat some more, I promise, but I feel a little puny. I feel a little off. Don's out in the parking lot. He dropped me off to have a little fun. He'll listen to his podcast and probably nod off. I'll try not to be super long. It's 10% off furniture today, and they have sold a lot of the furniture on this side and the other side. I found another plant bracket and a Star Wars comforter, a little bath mat, a hand towel, maybe a picture frame for Ariel. I'm hoping she or Michelle will answer me. So this is the comforter I picked up there, Star Wars pattern, and I knew it was
how cool.
Death Star, TIE Fighter, that kind of stuff, Stormtrooper, so the dark side. But then on the back side is a whole lot more cool stuff that I didn't even know it had. Is I guess Death Star schematic, and then
it's Imperial troopers.
More Imperial stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it looks way cool on both sides. Yay!
You did good. Johnny's gonna love it.
Yeah, and even if this one stays while he goes to college and he takes the one he's using now, this won't clash with the purple wall in there.
Yeah.
It's kind of a purple gray.
Yeah.
It's the afternoon kitty visit. We didn't walk. I didn't feel up to it. Don offered. I enjoyed shopping at Guardian Angel. I don't want Morris to get down, but you can see him in there in the chair. Tux is upset about Stripe. And there's Marty. I'm making a coffee with the Elementi electrolytes in it. And I'm gonna sit and do probably bags 4 and 5. If I get up and I walk around, I feel tired and a little woozy. So I'm good sitting though right now. There it is, 100% complete. I'm just missing the ground crew guy that would bring Poe to the ship on this little transport vehicle. Other than that, it's complete. Well, and the canopy, which is on order. There's a canopy, there's an orange slope for both sides, and then there are back here, there's a tail fin piece here, here, and here. Easily added when those parts come. If I didn't tell you, I don't think you'd know. It's pretty cool. The parts for my building that I'm working on did come today from Pennsylvania, so woohoo on that. I can get back to that when I'm ready. I do want to check out my bag from Guardian Angel. That's probably what I would do next. Hey!
Hey, looky what we got.
Yeah, that's yours. You can take that one.
Yum. Thank you.
Garlic shrimp and a nice piece of steak from, I think this one is from Butcher Box.
That's good.